Well, people often say to me, where did the 15% rule come from? I said it came from a very strange and disparate place. I was just experimenting with equal sized soil particles of 1.25 to 1.75 millimeters. Using my sieve plates to sieve out soils of within, well, I wouldn't say exactly, but quite well defined sizes. And yeah, basically what it came down to is you have to have at least 15% of a component in a soil mix to have any influence on the physical properties of that batch of soil, sort of thing. So basically what that was saying is if you had anything less than 15%, you were basically wasting your time. And on the other side of the coin, what it was saying is you could basically only have like 6 or 7 components in the soil mix. And if you had any more than 6 or 7, like you had 20 different things, perlite, vermiculite, sand, coconut fibre bark or something like that, charcoal and all that, if you got any more than 6.5 parts basically to a batch of soil, you were also wasting your time. So on the one thing, if you didn't have enough of a component, you were wasting your time. If you had too many parts in the thing, you were also wasting your time, because basically you were forcing each component then down to being less than 15%. So anyway, then I took this idea, I don't know what made me think of this, but I tried thinking, well, numbers are like that, like well-defined soil particles or a certain thing, numbers, why not try it with raffle tickets? What happens if I buy 15% of this, but I start buying them in groups of 2 or 3 together and things like that? How do I, because as I said, in groups together, like components in a soil mix sort of thing. Anyway, over a 3-year period with my Carnivorous Plant Society, I did an experiment over 3 years, and over that 3-year period, at one meeting I didn't get any prizes in that 3 years. That was one meeting I won nothing. But over that 3 years, generally I used to win about 3 prizes every time at the meeting. And at one meeting in that 3-year period, I won 6 prizes. And people said, oh, it got to the stage where people wanted me to put the prizes back. And I said, I just put my foot down. I said, no. And they're always telling me, you got to be in it to win it, and I'm in it, so I win it. So I said, oh, telephone, sorry. Hello. Hello.